Begin the service by applying Cool Blue hand cleanser. Perform a manicure. Lift and loosen cuticle with a cuticle pusher. Remove cuticle with a curette. Cleanse the nail plate layers with Scrub Fresh. Apply enhancements or CND Shellac prior to the Pro Skincare treatment and begin with the base coat. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply 2 layers of shellac color coat, curing each layer for 1 minute. Apply shellac top coat. Cure for 1 minute. Clean the nail with IPA. Massage exfoliating scrub into the hand and forearm until the crystals are evenly distributed. Immediately follow with exfoliating activator. Effleurage the exfoliating activator into the skin until the crystals have dissolved. Wrap the hand and arm in plastic film. Wrap in a clean terry cloth towel and allow to penetrate for 5 minutes. Remove towel and plastic film. Effleurage any remaining product into the skin. Apply a small amount of cuticle eraser onto the folds and massage into the skin. Apply a drop of solar oil. Apply hydrating lotion and massage until completely absorbed. Continue the benefits of the prebiotic formula with daily use.